School is over. I am going home now. The walk feels quiet today. It feels nice. We are home already? That was fast.
Hello, Anna. Welcome home, sweetheart.
Hi, Anna. How was school today?
Mom and Dad look very happy today.
Come inside, Anna. Put your bag down.
Okay, Mom. I am putting it here. It is very quiet. I hear nothing.
Just relax, Anna. Everything is okay.
Yes. Go sit down for a moment.
Something feels different today. I think I will wait. I will not ask.
Good girl. Stay close with us.
I want to sit here. I feel something different today. That door is closed. It is usually open today now. I heard something there. Did you hear it too, Mom?
Here, hold this, please. Stay with me, Anna. Now, okay.
Okay, Dad, I am listening, but I keep looking around. I want to stand up now. I need to see. The yard looks nice today. Something feels ready outside there.
Mom, what is happening today? Why is everyone smiling here? Nothing special, Anna. Just relax and stay close with us.
Okay, Mom. I will wait and think quietly here now. Maybe it is a game, or maybe a surprise today? I feel excited now. My heart feels very happy inside. I will watch you both. You're acting funny today.
Come with me, Anna. Walk slowly and listen now, please.
I am walking with Dad. I feel excited inside now. My steps feel lighter now. Something good is coming soon. I am ready now. I can feel something big coming.
Walk slowly, Anna. Stay close. Everything is okay.
This place feels different. It looks very neat. I feel people here. I cannot see them yet.
Come hold my hand, Anna. You are safe with us.
My heart is beating fast. I feel a little strange. Did I do something wrong today? I am not sure.
No worries, Anna. Everything is good. Trust us.
I am looking around. I want to understand.
Take a deep breath, Anna. Slow and easy.
Close your eyes, Anna, just for a moment.
Okay, Anna. Open your eyes now. Surprise! Happy birthday, Anna!
Wow, this is for me? I am so happy. Oh, this is for me. I understand now today clearly. I am so happy. This is amazing for me today.
We planned this with love. You are very special to us.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. I feel very loved today.
Hi, Anna. Happy birthday. We are glad you're here today.
I know you. I am happy to see you today.
Let's all stand together here around Anna now, please, friends.
Happy birthday, Anna. We wish you joy today and always.
Come play with us, Anna. It will be fun now.
Yes, I want to join you right now, please, Dad. This is fun. I love laughing together with everyone here. I like being with my family right here today together. Today is a very good day for me and us. Thank you for this beautiful day, Mom and Dad together.